right, so we are done. That is the pork steaks. These are the ones that are seasoned with the Cuban blend from Kinder's. These are seasoned with my little proprietary blend, a little savory mix I've been working on. Here goes some chicken thighs. These kind of naked looking ones were seasoned with a mix that Tyrell came up with, his own little version of SPG. And these are as well, but I sauced them with Conchita's Guava BBQ Sauce, made with real fruit. Try to say that real fast as an adult. Real fruit. That's what it says. And then here go these jerk wings. I know I'm going to get clowned, but I really wanted to try this because great value does not miss. And this mix was kind of for the oven, as you can see right there. Quick little bake. It says game time party mix. So if you got a last minute game time shindig and you want to bring something or whoop something up, I guess that's what you do. So we are done here.